Imagine trading on the stock market for 20 years without recording a single losing year, ever. My pal Chuck Hughes has a trading strategy that did just that. It's why he's the undisputed 10-time stock trading champion. If they ever handed out championship belts for traders, this guy would hold them all. If you click here right now, he'll show you exactly how he outtraded the best traders in the world using a breakthrough strategy that's earned him $1.05 million this year alone. You see, it's all thanks to something called trophy trades. Following these trades and strategies could have made you a whopping $13.5 million in trading profits in the past 2 decades. That's a lot of money. And they've allowed Chuck to live out his dream retirement, one that lets him spend more time with his family, treat his wife to lavish vacations, and even purchase 2 vacation homes in Hawaii. Like one wasn't enough, right? I love it. And he's about to buy one down under in Australia. Now, he wants to help you do the same. That's why, if you click here right now, he'll reveal his secret to grabbing gains like 389.8%, 713.1%, and even, check this out, 935.4% on his trophy trades that have already produced over the past year. Gains that could have turned every $500 invested into $5,177 in 3 months or less. Chuck has had enough of seeing the little guy lose on Wall Street. He wants more people to be able to experience the kind of financial freedom that's possible with the stock market. That's why he and I will be getting together to go over the #1 misconception found in traders of today. This misconception is why everyday traders are losing thousands and thousands in potential profits, and why getting rid of it could be the key to seeing consistent triple-digit gains in the stock market.
That's right, Roger. Traders these days are making a huge mistake, and it all has to do with them following Wall Street's typical handbook. Look, how many times have you gotten out of a trade only to see the stock skyrocket 3 times, 5 times, or even 10 times more? It's a terrible feeling, and I hated it whenever it happened to me. Yet I knew there had to be a way to capture more gains from a stock that's rallying. So I delved into researching Wall Street's patterns, testing their mathematical formulas, and even programming dozens of professional systems. It's all led me to the discovery of what I call the power profit zone. This is what let me beat out the world's best traders 10 times over. It's the same thing that posted a 20-year win streak in the stock market and personally earned me $6.1 million in trading profits over the last 7 years. And if you click here right now, I'll show you how you can step into the power profit zone so you can capture all the profits at the end of a trend. This will set you up for trophy trades that could net you 10 times more than what the typical Wall Street strategies would give you. Thanks to the power profit zone, you could have seen trophy trades like 234% on MasterCard if you had placed a trade in February and got out in July, or 538% on QDEL if you had placed a trade in April and got out in June, and even 700% on Apple if you had placed a trade in December and got out in February. Using the typical Wall Street strategies, you would have left thousands of dollars on the table instead. But if you click here right now, I'll show you how you could use the power profit zone to make trophy trades that could squeeze out every single dollar from your trades.
That's incredible, Chuck. And what's even more amazing is that Chuck has been able to use the power profit zone to help normal traders see consistent triple-digit gains, just like Anne, who almost quadrupled her initial investment, or John, who made $227,720 in 6 months. And don't forget George, who earned a whopping $422,000 in just 9 months of using Chuck's strategies. Trophy trades are turning everyday traders into champions, even if they haven't made a penny in the stock market before. And if you're ready, Chuck wants to mold you into his next champion. Click here now and we'll show you how you can start using the Power Profit Zone to potentially grab gains like 234%, 538%, and even 700% once you just saw.